Okay, hello friend. I will tell you about flower. Okay, flower is one kind of plant in the world that we often eat, and flower has various color and make a place beautiful and also make happy. And everywhere we can find farmer flower in in everywhere that sell flower as rose, daffodil, mango, and so on that very beautiful and very cheap. And in fact, friend, some flower can use for hair. For example, rose, it is can heal fever. And I have experience. I have I have uh, I have seen my neighbor that drink herb, and then I visit her, and then I ask her, "Hello, Miss, what do you drink?" And then he answer me, "This is a herb from rose to heal the asthma." Then I answer, "Whoa, beautiful, oh beautiful, I'm sorry, amazing." And then my opinion, flower is someone that's very important.